Are you ready for pure audio bliss? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones aren't just good, they redefine quiet with industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing your commute or noisy office, creating your own personal sanctuary anywhere you go. That's the magic of these powerful noise-canceling headphones. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy marathon listening sessions without ever worrying about a charger, making them perfect for travel. Multitaskers will love the multipoint connection, letting you effortlessly switch audio between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. What makes the Sony WH-1000XM5 truly special is this seamless fusion of unparalleled quiet, superb comfort, and crystal clear audio fidelity. These are more than just headphones. They're an investment in your peace of mind and an elevated listening experience that stands out. If you're researching the best wireless headphones on the market for 2025, your search might just end here. Ready to upgrade your sound? Find the best deals and check them out via the Amazon link in the description below. For an immersive, distraction-free audio experience, I enthusiastically recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5. You won't regret this purchase.